I bought this tool to cut fleece fabric, but because it's so flimsy and gets caught on the blade sometimes, it'll shift and it makes it difficult to cut a perfect circle. So what I did was cut a piece of chipboard, or it could be cardboard, any like sturdy material, so that I could, and then I punched a hole in the middle with an awl. And then that way I can hold this piece down while I cut. But I need to make this about quarter smaller than the size you want to end up with. So I'll show you. Put the pin in the center and make sure this is a ratchet handle. Make sure you're turning it so you can hear the ratchet. Don't go the other way. Make sure the edges are safe. Hold it down. Perfect circle.